friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show us how we can record voice call. So make a call recording app in Sketchware. First, I added two image view to start record and stop record. Then I enable app compact. Then we come to our library. So we will come to this, click on Android manifest. We click on an application. Then we click this button and add this. We add this to the button. Then we come over to our permissions and add all these permissions. So on some devices it is not allowed to record app, but it has been tested on my device and it works perfectly. Then we add this to our manifest, this service to our manifest. These are the libraries used. So when you download the project, it is automatically added. These are the library used. So we add this import. Then when we click on start recording, what should happen? This is what will happen. First, before that, we add custom variable called call record. So we can see call record is the variable we add. So we are going to define call record here. So if your activity name is not main activity, change the activity name to change main activity to your activity name. So because my activity name is main activity, I am writing main activity.this. So we are going to set file name. You can change the file name. For instance, the file name, you can write sample. File name, we can write test. So our directory there, that is the folder where it will save. So I can decide to change the folder name to Sketchly. So then we can leave other attributes. Then when we click on stop, this is what will happen. Let's view the app and test it. Before we start recording, we are going to make sure all the permissions are granted, already enabled to our apps. So these are the permissions the apps need. So I'm going to make sure it is enabled. So if it's enabled, then next what we're going to do is we're going to start. Then we can make the call.